how to integrate Zoho CRM with Zoho Books. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to integrate two platforms called Zoho CRM and Zoho Book. Now we're going to use this platform called Zapier to make this integration, so let's begin. Now you're first going to click on Create Zap over here, and we would be redirected to this page, and in this section you can see we have a trigger and an action over here. You could choose from Zoho CRM or Zoho Book as the trigger. For example, we're going to go with Zoho Book as our trigger. We're going to click this, and we're going to select an event that would happen in Zoho Book. We could choose from new customer, new estimate, new expense, or new item. We're going to go with the new item, click on continue, and now you're going to have to connect your account in Zoho Books. Now over here on the action, you could choose Zoho CRM just like that, and you're going to click on the CRM option and choose the event that you want, and you could choose what would happen upon this trigger over here. You could choose any of this option. For example, we're going to add a new attachment just like that. You're going to click on continue, and now you're going to have to sign in your Zoho CRM. After this, after signing it into your account, you're simply going to click on fix to publish over here on the top right. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.